From smoothies to ice cream and a few other surprises, I have the ultimate piece of kitchen tech to make it all happen on a dime. Hi, I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite. Welcome to my home and your home for savings. We're in my kitchen today. I usually unbox the biggest tech deals, lifestyle items, but I want to focus on kitchen tech today because I'm getting a lot of requests for powerful blenders. Now keep in mind, although I am going to make some smoothies for all of you and I hope you want them, I'm not just talking smoothies today. Blenders go so far beyond that. They're for pulverizing all sorts of ingredients, for making cake batters. You can even do crazy things with meatballs and purees and soups, minestrone. A blender could be that one tool that saves you so much time. So today, I'm going to save you a lot of money. Let's get this unboxed. You can find this blender deal located right under the video screen. Your savings today are substantial, but you are getting a hardcore piece of machinery. And one of the things that I want to point out, a lot of those blenders you see on home shopping channels and other websites, they're not giving you a professional grade or commercial grade blender. And this is hardcore. This is the base of the blender. It's heavy, and you want a heavy base because this is not going to shake around. It's not going to rotate. I mean, this is a real commercial grade, industrial strength base. Get the controls on it. There we go right here. Really nice display. And one of the things that I love is the top part of the blender pitcher, the blender jar is large capacity. This is 2.2 liter max, but this is maxed out compared to many other competing models. You can fit a lot in here. If you're going to make soup for a family of 4, smoothies for a bunch of house guests, this would be a great way to get it going. You get total crushing power, high speed of up to 28,000 RPMs. That means this can break the cell walls of ingredients to release the nutrition. What does this mean? Well, when I had a chance to take this into a professional kitchen and test this with chefs, you got the ice crushing, the blending, the pureeing, the controlled processing, but more importantly, this was even able to pulverize the tiniest of seeds. The commercial extra large pitcher is 75 ounces. Most blender pitchers are smaller, so this is great for fruits, smoothies, creamy soups, thick dips, sticky dough, that dense cake batter, those boozy blended drinks, the DIY nut flours, raw juices, and more. This blender also meets all of the certifications. Many of those blenders made overseas are not ETL and FDA approved. This is also BPA free. We put this blender beside so many other competitors on the market, costing more than $650. And I will tell you, at $165, this not only won hands down, but this was low noise, stable, and able to outperform everything we put it up against. This is a highly programmable blender. Before I do an ice test for you and before we make smoothies, you have the smoothie mode, the pulse mode. You can also use a juicing mode, ice cream, and then various other presets from stirring to pulsing, ideal for soups, cake batter, and blending ice. Don't worry, I dropped it on the floor, it's fine. I'm gonna cover this up right here. Blending, so good. Good thing there's a sharp blade in here, but don't worry, it has safety features. One of the things that I do when I'm testing products is the ice blend test is one of the best ways to showcase whether or not the blades of a blender are up for a task. So it can pulverize ice very easily, but more importantly, if you do the ice cream mode, you can get almost like this freezy texture. You put your favorite syrup onto that. I've done that for my nephews and they absolutely love this as a trick, but I'm gonna continue on. Gonna get a little bit of coconut water in here, your favorite almond milk or soy milk or real dairy, and make a smoothie, which could also end up as a milkshake. I'm gonna add, you could add your favorite fruit juice, orange juice. My wife has peach nectar, don't even know what that is, but that's going in. There we go. Then I'm gonna just add your favorite frozen fruits. Add some strawberries, some bananas, just add all those, I like banana. Peaches, there we go. And now, let the blending begin. Look at that, one fell swoop and we are pulverizing. Not only did this blend incredibly quickly, I don't know if you guys can see the frost, but this is all frozen fruit, not fresh. So it's pulverizing things that are solid. And it made, even the grapes here are frozen too. So let's get this off. I'm gonna pour another glass right here. There we go. Right into the frozen fruit. It's all good. That's why I'm not a cooking show. It's all good. So I kind of overpowered the glass, but just so good. I didn't overpower the blender. One of the nice things about this, I'm able to get more fruit, nutrients into my diet. If you're someone that's looking to eat a little bit more vegetables, you could be one of those people that puts wheatgrass or kale or some of those other fun, healthy things into your glass. I just went with fruit and coconut water. But I will tell you, it's delicious, and more importantly, cleanup is really easy. This goes right into the dishwasher, or you can clean it manually. And it's a simple way to please and entertain. I love it, and I love the price drop. If you do want to take advantage of this deal, this is now at under $170. And again, you're looking at a commercial grade blender. You can find that link located right under this video screen. I wish you guys were here with me so we could all have smoothies together, and actually I really want to make ice cream. Should have done that for the video, but I'll do that. Oh. Should we show the ice cream that I made? I even made ice cream. I will tell you that the consistency could be better, to be 100% honest. I think I used too much ice. But 2 huge thumbs up on the smoothie. And one of the other things that you can see right here, this is a lentil bolognese. And for those of you that are looking to take meat out of your diet, one of the really cool things you can do is you can make these beautiful pasta sauces in a blender. And you can replace some of the elements that you would typically find in those jars or store-bought sauces and make something on your own that's pureed, that's delicious. Doesn't get better or easier than this. So I've made a mess of savings. And if you're watching right now, if there's something else you would like me to test, or more importantly, if there's something you want me to find a deal on, that's what I do. I really want to make you guys happy. And it makes me so happy that you're here and that you're watching. And I really appreciate it. And if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, I want to use this as an opportunity to hook you up for even more big deals moving forward. If you're not yet subscribed, just click on my head right here. That'll subscribe you to this channel. If you need help turning on your notifications or leaving a comment, click here. And that last big roundup of deals I did, it's right over here.